Hi everyone, I am Dr. Eman Hadi Azhari. I hope all of you are fine by the grace of Almighty. Greetings of Eid ul-Adha to all. Eid Mubarak. In this Eid, various types of animals are sacrificed by the name of Allah, and all these meats are red meat. Today I will discuss about the harmful effects of red meat and its relationship with hypertension. If you are new in my channel, please subscribe now and press the bell button to get the notification of the next videos. And if you have already subscribed my channel, thank you very much. So let's talk about the harmful effects of red meat in hypertension. Number 1, red meat contains saturated fat which raises blood cholesterol level and afterwards it increases blood pressure. Number 2, red meat contains much more iron. When we intake excessive amounts of red meat, it increases iron stores in our body and it creates oxidative stress. And oxidative stress, it creates inflammation in our whole body including blood vessels. That's why it raises blood pressure. Number 3, red meats need more amount of heat for a longer period of time to be cooked. This increases release of the chemicals which causes inflammation of the blood vessels and afterwards raises the blood pressure. Number 4, red meat contains an ammonium compound named L-carnitine. After going to our gut, it converts into a harmful chemical named TMAO, that means trimethyl amine and oxide. This TMAO causes hardening of the vessel wall and it increases the clotting of blood in our blood vessels. By these two pathways, it raises the blood pressure. Number 5, red meat contains a carbohydrate named Neo5Gc. Our immune system produces antibody against Neo5Gc. And this antibody also attacks blood vessels and causes inflammation of the blood vessel, and that's why it raises the blood pressure. After all this discussion, we have learned that red meat causes inflammation of the blood vessels, hardening of the vessel wall, raises blood cholesterol level and increase the clotting of the blood vessels. As a result, blood pressure is increased. So I won't tell you to avoid red meat completely, it's up to you. But as a cardiologist, I will tell you to take very less amount of red meat weekly. It will reduce or cut down the risk of hypertension, heart attack, stroke, cancer and other diseases. If you have enjoyed my video, please smash the thumbs up button and share it. And if you have not subscribed my channel yet, please subscribe now. That's all about today's discussion. See you in the next video. Till then, stay safe, stay healthy. Goodbye, Eid Mubarak.